How much lithium do you have?
45 ohm.
Okay. What size alternator?
250.
250. Alright.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Alright, your name's Robert, right? Did you tell me what's in here?
It's 8-star DDX ones, 50 amp lithium, 250 amp red edge, all there, 45 ohm AC max bang, 1 to 2.5 ratio, 246.
46 hertz. Okay. What did you meter out of it? Your highest score?
So far today, the best score I was at 457.6.
What's up, man?
And then the average at 54.8 at 25 hertz.
25. Wow. Okay. That was low. How low does it go down to? You got one more? Oh, let him cool off? Yeah, let's let him cool off. Yeah.
Oh, I thought something small.
Really? You're clipping? How much lithium do you have?
45 ohm.
Okay. What size alternator?
250.
250. All right. Wow. Have you tried mounting them regular? You know you game.
You know what?
Oh, I know you would. This much cone area? You'll lose your lows, but you'll gain.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.